Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Experience Tutor. Today we'll discuss class 10th science chapter 4 carbon and its compound part 2. And here is our welcome message. Before we begin, we request you to subscribe, like and share our channel. Please click on the subscribe button to support us and also click on the bell notification so that you can get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Now let us begin with the lesson. Today we'll discuss physical properties of covalent bond. So, physical properties of covalent bond. First, covalent bonds have low melting and boiling point. Low melting and boiling points. As they have weak intermolecular force because they have weak intermolecular force. Force. They are generally poor conductor. So, poor conductor of electricity. Poor conductor of electricity. As electrons. Electrons are shared between atoms and no charged particles are formed. And no charged particles are formed. Next thing we'll discuss about versatility or versatile nature of carbon. Why carbon has so many compounds? Why the presence of carbon and its compounds are so vast? So versatile nature carbon. So, two properties. Due to two properties, carbon forms large number of compounds. So, first property is catenation. Carbon can link with carbon atom. So, by means of covalent bonds. By by means of covalent bonds. Bonds by means of covalent bonds to form long chains. To form long chains, branch chain, and closed ring. Closed ring. Carbon compound carbon atom may be linked with single bond, double bond, or triple bond. So both type of all the three types of bond is possible. So this properties as a whole is called catenation. So next is tetravalency. Tetravalency. So carbon has 4 valence electron. So 4 valence electrons. Carbon can bond with 4 carbon atoms, monovalent atoms, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. So here it can bond with oxygen, it can bond with nitrogen, it can bond with any more monovalent atoms, it can bond with 4 carbon atoms. In this way, carbon can form a vast number of compounds. Now, let us discuss saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. So before that, we should know what is hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? Any compound made up of hydrogen and carbon. So any compound made up of hydrogen and carbon are called hydrocarbons. So saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbon can be of two types. First is saturated and second is unsaturated. So what is saturated? So let us discuss saturated first. Saturated hydrocarbon. So first is single bond between carbon atoms. Between carbon atoms. Second is in this form chain is formed in this way. These are also called alkenes, and its general formula is CnH2n minus plus 2. So what are saturated hydrocarbons? Single bond with carbon atoms, between carbon atoms. For example, it is given single bond between a chain is shown, and they are known as alkenes, and its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Now we'll study about unsaturated hydrocarbon. So unsaturated hydrocarbons. Double or triple bond between carbon atoms. Between carbon atoms. For example, carbon in this way, or we can say this way. They are called alkenes, and double bonds are called alkenes, and triple bond are called alkanes. Their general formula is CnH2n for alkanes and CnH2n minus 2 for alkynes. Now we will see the electron dot structure for saturated hydrocarbon. Electron dot structure for saturated hydrocarbons. So let us take an example for CH4, that is methane. Methane. So what happens here? Carbon has 4 electrons in its valence shell. It forms 4 covalent bonds with 4 single covalent bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms. So this is how it happens. In this way, we can see all the hydrogen got its stability by sharing 2 electrons. So, and carbon also get its stability by having 8 electrons by sharing with 4 hydrogen atoms. So, if we want to draw the bonds of carbon, 4 single covalent bonds are formed. Similarly, we can draw the electron dot structure for ethane. C2H6. So here 2 carbon atoms are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It combines with 6 hydrogen atoms on each side to form covalent bonds. In this way, this carbon will complete its 8 electron in outermost shell in this way. In a similar manner, this carbon atom will combine with other hydrogen and carbon atoms to form octet. Now, if we draw the diagram in terms of bonds, we get in this way. So 6 covalent bonds are formed. So now we'll study about few of the names and molecular formula for saturated hydrocarbons. So already we have done for methane and ethane. But formula. So alkanes are, so main is the formula. So alkanes formula is CnH2n plus 2. So if n is equal to 1, then we get C1H2 plus 2. That is, we got CH4. This is the first compound in the series of alkanes. It's known as methane. And its structure is, we have already seen, 4 covalent bonds are there, which attacks with 4 hydrogen. The second compound. So again, the formula CnH2n plus 2. So n is equal to 2, then C2H6. This is the second compound. This is called ethane. Now the structure. This is the structure. Next is propane. N is CnH2n plus 2. N is equal to 3. So C3H6. 8. This is called propane. This is called propane. So the structure is very simple. Put all the in all the bonds put hydrogen. So this is the third compound of this series. The fourth compound is butane. Formula is CnH2n plus 2. N is equal to 4. Then C4H10. So what will be the, this is called butane. So structure is very simple. Draw first 4 carbons and in the vacant places just fill up with hydrogen. That's it. So this is the structure of butane. Next, pentane. So formula is CnH2n plus 2. If n is equal to 5, then C5H12. So if we draw the structure, it will be in this way. So this is the structure of pentane. Its name is pentane. And this is the end of today's topic. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Please click on the subscribe button to support us and also click on the bell icon so that you can get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching our channel.